Hello everybody, this is my homework. Let's get started. E, ship. E, sip, sip. Ooh, good. Bat. Cat. This is sentence. Vietnamese people are ready. Vietnamese people are ready. You are in deep shit now. You are in deep shit now. Many moons ago, that woman were very sexy. Many moons ago, that woman were very sexy. Better late than never. Better late than never. I have big family. I have big family. Now this is a short conversation. What's up? I'm Hoa. What's your name? My name is Chang. Good to see you. Good to see you too. Where are you studying at? I'm studying at Hanoi University of Science. What about you? I'm studying at Hanoi University of Industry. What are your hobbies in your free time? I like listening to music. And you? What do you like? I like reading a book. It's so nice. I have to go now. See you later. See you later. Ta-ta.